In this video, I'm going to do a live demo of the KOMSURF Collapsible Wagon. What I like most about this is just how easy it is to set up. The wheels are already attached. All you need to do is set it on the ground, expand it, and you're ready to use it. They also give a tab on the inside, so whenever you are ready to put it back into storage, just pull that tab up and you can easily fold it back together. Personally, I use this bag when I'm going to play softball. I put my cooler in there, my glove bag, and bats, but it really works great for however you want to use it, whether you bring it to the beach, going camping, or even just carrying groceries up to your apartment or house. They make it really convenient with how easy it is to fold and fold back up, so whatever you want to do it for, it's going to work great. But here's what it looks like in action. My grass is a little bit longer, and I do have a curb and some rocks there, but even with all that, it can easily go through that without any trouble. So if you are going to put it on some more difficult terrain, I don't think it's going to have any issue with that. You can just pull it behind you effortlessly. But overall, this was exactly what I wanted. It was affordable, it's so easy to set up. I give this thing 2 thumbs up.